Whatever happened to 2024? Man, time goes by so fast, doesn't it? It's already December of 2024, and today we're going to take a look back at some of the challenges and milestones and celebrations that 2024 had to offer us. I'm Tony. This is Run the Comps. Here we go. Welcome back to Run the Comps, the channel that values up your real estate game. My name is Tony, and I've been a licensed agent and an investor and a property analyst for well over 20 years. Now, 2024 was quite a crazy and pivotal year for a lot of different reasons, so let's jump right into it. I'd have to say that the most notable accomplishment of the year is getting this channel launched. Run the Comps has been something that I've wanted to do for a very long time, but this year I finally took action and made it happen. And I'd like to give a special shout out to my editor, Thumpkins, who's been right beside me the whole way. Thumpkins, I really appreciate your help, and you have helped me put videos out that are way better than I could have ever imagined. So appreciate it. Now, I have also experienced a lot of personal growth this year, career-wise. It was about this time last year, I took a job with an iBuyer. I've worked for several iBuyers in the past, and this one seemed like a good fit. So when they called me up about a year ago, I jumped on board with them, and that has been a really challenging role for me. I've been working with their valuations team and doing property underwritings. And so it kind of fits in a lot with what I do on the Run the Comps channel. As if I didn't have enough to do juggling a full-time day job and then running this YouTube channel at the same time, I also bought an investment property. And I started a renovation project on that property. And I also used that opportunity to create some content. And there's a whole series of videos on the channel. And I invite you to check some of those videos out if you haven't already and follow along the renovation journey with me. Now, while my professional life has been quite busy, as you can see, I've also enjoyed some particularly satisfying milestones and celebrations on the personal side. You see, my son Hayden, he turned 18 this year and he graduated high school, and now he has moved on to the next level as an NCAA student athlete, and we're so very proud of him for that. Additionally, my dog Birdie, she had 10 puppies back in January. 10 puppies, can you believe that? She's a Labradoodle, and we found good, loving homes for 7 of those puppies, but now Daisy and Ginger and Biscuit have all become a permanent part of our family, and we're so happy about that. They are really fun to have around. With all that stuff going on, juggling dogs and college and sporting events and renovations and YouTube and content and video, I had to find a better way to manage my time and my priorities so that I could get it all done. So that's been one of the biggest challenges of 2024 for myself. I'm sure all you out there have some sort of challenge. You're juggling a lot of balls. So just keep after it. It's still a work in progress for me, but I'm finding a way to get it all done. The good news is that all of that juggling has allowed me to continue to build relationships, reestablish old connections, and make some new connections, and generally find ways to build relationships with folks in order to look ahead and make 2025 a much better year. The real estate market coming into 2024 was really crazy. I mean, interest rates were high, home prices were at an all-time high, inventory was low, buyers were having a hard time affording homes, and there was just a ton of uncertainty going on, especially in the election year. I mean, election year always causes a lot of havoc on the real estate market because you're just not certain what's going to happen. But now we know the election's over and there's a lot of optimism going into 2025. I have a lot of optimism. Really excited about some of the things that we're going to be able to do next year. Next year, I'm looking to collaborate a lot more with some of the local real estate experts in my area and help bring more fresh content for you to help value up your real estate game in 2025. So please hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned to the channel. We're going to be bringing you some good stuff next year. Again, I want to extend a special thanks to all the viewers, subscribers. We really, really appreciate your support throughout 2024. And we're very excited about what 2025 has to offer. So please share the videos, go back and watch some of the old videos. I mean, that renovation catalog of videos is pretty interesting. There's a lot of stuff going on there. Maybe we'll do another fix and flip. Maybe we'll have some rental stories. So yeah, we appreciate everything you do. We're so glad that you could go along this journey with us in 2024, and we look forward to seeing you next year. I'm Tony. This is Run the Comps. Wow.